Hey everyone, it's Nanine again. Today is day 2 of Starving for Justice. I've had a pretty good day so far. I'm pretty hungry at the moment. My stomach was just growling really loudly, so if you hear that on the video, it just proves to you how hungry I am. But I've been doing pretty well. I got up this morning and I had a little bit of green tea. I kind of had a bit of a headache, so I was kind of trying to stave it off with some tea. And then I've just had water and tonic water with quinine in it and some apple cider vinegar in the water. There goes my stomach. And I feel good. I'm trying to conserve energy because I know that it's real important that I don't burn too many calories. But that's the hardest part for me, is that I have so much to do, and it's hard for me to just sit in one place at the moment. I am actually quite good at it most times, but for whatever reasons right now I've got too much going on around me. And so that's primarily my challenge. We got some good news today that we thought we were going to have some trouble getting a permit to do our protest in the French Quarter, but we're clear to go. So we're going to be protesting in the French Quarter on October 21st. Our rain day is the 22nd, but October is a great month in New Orleans. The weather is always really good. So odds are we'll be going on October 21st. We'll be forming up at noon in the French Quarter at the corner of Royal and Chartres. That's right by Jackson Square. Then we're going to walk 1 block north up St. Peter till we get to Royal, and then we're going to turn left, and go 2.5 blocks till we get to the steps of the Louisiana Supreme Court, and they're going to stop there. We're going to have some speakers. Richard Ducote has agreed to come and speak. So long as his calendar is clear, he's going to get back to me, but he's excited about the opportunity, and he's really excited about supporting this effort. And if you know someone else that you think would be a good speaker, then please feel free to send me their information, or send this to them and ask them if they would be willing to come and speak, or I will ask them to come and speak. I'd also like actual parents or children or grown children, or anyone, a friend of a parent who would like to speak about a specific case. I'd like to have several people speak, maybe as much as 10. We're planning on being there about 2 hours. So, and then at the end, I will burn my license on the steps of the Supreme Court, Louisiana Supreme Court. So I'm really excited about that. I hope that if you're in the area, or if you feel like traveling to New Orleans in October, it's a great month to come. We have lots of festivals. The weather's wonderful. I really hope that we can get a lot of people to turn out, and maybe, really draw some attention to this. It'll be towards the end of the fast. So I'm hoping that we will have gathered enough momentum by then that we will have a large turnout. But please consider that if you're in the area, or if you know someone in the area, or you feel like traveling, that you'll come in and protest with us. It would be great. We could use help with things like slogans for the signs. We have one great slogan Johnny Brock gave us, and I love it, although I can't think of what it is off the top of my head. And we have one sign that I am borrowing from the Shimoni group, because they have had a great sign, and I'm going to make copies of that and print some of those. We will have some signs at the protest, but if you come, it would be great if you would bring some of your own signs, because it's just another expense that we have to incur, but we will do our best to have signs. We'll also have pink, blue, and purple ribbons for people to wear. As you may notice that I try to wear pink, blue, and purple every time I do one of these videos, because those are the colors we adopted: pink and blue for the children and purple for justice. I got that idea from Janet. Janet, you know who you are. Thank you so much for that help. And who's fighting her own really awful battle in Michigan, not in front of the goy crazy person in the Shimoni case, but a different judge in a very broken system. Anyway, I just wanted to do an update. My weight was, when I got up this morning, I was at 154, but then I had some fluids, and so it came back up. That's good. I was a little concerned, but I think I was just a little dehydrated, even though I seem like I'm drinking all the time. Apparently, you get very dehydrated when you're not eating. So I've been drinking a lot, and my weight, I think, was back up to 156 fully clothed. That's good, because I want to preserve as much weight as I can. So thanks everyone who has signed the petition. Thank you so much for sharing the petition. Don't be shy to ask people to support the petition. I'm inherently a very shy person, I'm inherently a very shy person. I'm introvert by nature, as hard as that may be to believe, but I have long ago learned not to be shy about asking people to stand up for what's right. So don't be shy. All people can do is say no. Um, People's opinion of you are far less important than your own opinion of yourself. So get out there, push the petition, sign the petition, and give details, give your links, give your stories. If we, when the petition is finished at the end of October, we will submit it to the state attorney, the U.S. Attorney General. And if your information is on there, we're hoping that she, Loretta Lynch, will be so overwhelmed with all the different cases that she'll want to investigate them. And so put your stuff on there because it can't hurt. I mean, I guess it could if you get in trouble for it, but have someone else put your information on there. Anyway, sign, share, ask people to share it, keep pushing for people to share and sign it. And I will check in tomorrow when hopefully day 3 will be the worst day, and I will I might be a little goofy tomorrow. Who knows? We'll see. Anyway, thanks again everyone for all the kind words and all the support. It really means a lot to me. This is, I think, mentally harder than anything else. So I really appreciate all the kind words and all the words of support. It means a lot. And I'm so honored to be a member of this group of people who are trying so hard to get justice and to save their families and save our country as they do so. Thank you so much. Talk to you tomorrow. How do I do this off? Oh, here.